All right. Well, we thank everyone for joining us today for the APAC Manufacturing Meetup. We're really glad that you're able to join us because we've been noticing that the APAC region oftentimes doesn't get as much love for uniting the community here. We have a lot of great communities like NAMIC, 3D Printing India Network, and KMA that help bring the local community together. But what about supporting the different countries across the borders to connect, share resources, learn from each other, and maybe even enable collaborative efforts? So together with Wataru, John Croft from Australia, Aditya from 3D Printing India Network, Alex Liu from Singapore, Simon from AM Ventures in South Korea, we decided let's put our minds together and build this APAC AM Meetup. So really excited to have you join us. We're going to have presentations across the different additive landscape, and then we'll also be finishing this off with a wonderful panel hosted by Alex Liu from ASTM, and then we'll end this evening with virtual networking. So without further ado, we'd love to introduce John Croft to the stage.